back for Borgir.
Bug.
I will do
Get it.
Don't.
I will
Okay,
get
do
it.
Do it. Do it.
Get it.
Catch it. Catch it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, it flew out and scared the shit out of you. Where'd it
Great
go?
start.
It went away. It went away. It's gone. Why'd you move
Oh, I
forward?
thought I went over the edge.
Burgers. Burgers. Yes. Okay. So I got In-N-Out, Carl's Jr., A&W, Del Taco, and Jack in the Box. Whoever the said that the fries from A&W were not KFC and A&W and called him a nutcracker, you should go suck one sideways.
Horizontally.
Perpendicular. I think it's totally gonna happen.
You're gonna get 3-0.
What is that?
Dang.
Oh my, dude, he's got the drip on. What was the face?
What?
That's what I'm saying. Produce. Freaking
This
sight.
In-N-Out came in this.
It came in this.
Napkins.
Came in. Alright. Best fail ever. Everyone can Google it. They got it. They got phones. And how are they watching us?
With their eyes.
How's the taste, price, and texture for In-N-Out? The price was $5.15 for this, so pretty good.
No 2 onions. And
No, I dripped.
Bro, that In-N-Out has.
Bro.
What is that on the table?
my secret sauce.
This homemade sauce.
So price is 10, or actually let's do a 9, because this one was actually cheaper.
You can buy a Supreme croissant and get one for free. That's really cool.
From In-N-Out?
Bro. Supreme?
Do they sell croissant,
Croissant?
sausage, or egg at what's it called? In-N-Out?
How'd you forget what it was
I was thinking Burger King.
Oh, yeah.
Price is a 9, taste is a 9. Presentation was probably a 6 because it gave me a box.
Del Taco's next. Or we can do A&W.
No, I
Foil
don't
wrapping
care.
keeps it warm. Is it warm?
Alright, Del Taco Borgir.
That actually looks.
That looks really bad.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Like how they.
I can see why they swapped to tacos.
Yeah. It's how they made it. Looks
Dude,
horrible.
what is wrong with that
That's
thing?
just melted cheese sticking to the top of it.
How's the presentation?
Probably 5.
Yeah. I like foil wrapping though because it keeps stuff warm. Not good.
Ugh.
What's
Okay.
gross? Wait, what's on it?
Cheese,
Bro,
tomatoes,
bro,
and
dog,
lettuce.
dog.
Dog.
Hey, yo, I got you.
No, wait, don't miss.
Got him.
How did that not fall off? Bro!
Okay.
You can't get back some of that.
Bro, drink the water.
Oh my god! I almost died. Oh no, I got burger jizz on my stomach.
First time?
Hey, I'm not finishing this because this is really bad.
Alright. Taste.
2, 3. 3, I'll be nice.
2. Price.
I'll give it an 8.
Dude, I don't want to give the price of this thing an 8 after you almost died.
Okay, 7.
A&W.
This was
John.
yeah, $5. So price is
But
at
only
10.
for today.
Price is at well.
So you guys aren't gonna get it.
right
Only
now.
we are.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Watching it 3 weeks before it's released.
You want to explain this?
Bro's turning into Mater Private Eye. Bro's taking out Big D.
I swear to God, I'm gonna choke again. I swear. Okay, let me try another bite of that.
What'd they do to his pickle?
Okay, this one actually
They
tastes
pickled his cucumber. How's the presentation?
presentation. Yeah,
That's alright.
that's alright.
How's the taste?
Good.
What?
Oh my God.
6?
6. Awful.
Yeah.
How's the price?
10, because it was $5. Alright, good. I like it.
You're gonna tell us?
One patty. Some cheese. Some cheese.
Bro, where did that sound come from?
There's a reason it's called In and Out.
Oh, bro. Chewing.
Carl's Jr. is next.
Carl's Jr. is one of the most basic ones.
I'll
on there.
finish that in a little bit. Okay. I'm finishing it, dude.
You got like, oh God, dude.
Carl's got 2 packs of meat in between his buns. So how's the presentation?
It was pretty good. It actually told me what it was on the wrapping.
Dang, that's like lame.
Yeah.
Wrapping
And
is
it's
8.
paper.
8.
How's the taste?
Taste is actually pretty good.
Alright.
Like a 7.
Alright. How's the price?
This was the most expensive. Yes, 769.
10 out of...
Just because it has 69, I'm gonna change that price from a 2 to a 3.
You have to combo all the burgers.
Oh fuck, well I already ate all the In-N-Out one. It's coming out in a week. Give me a minute.
A week? Takes that long? Jeez.
How
got
much
some
food
issues.
is stuck in you?
Alright, last is Jack in the Box?
Yep.
Jack in the Box.
I like
It
seeing.
came in a box.
Whoa,
Therefore,
that's deep.
Jack is in the... matter though, because it's a box.
Presentation is probably good because it actually got in a box.
What?
Presentation is
You
good
good?
because it got in the
No,
box.
I'm not. What happened?
Presentation is good because it's in
Okay,
a box.
what?
9.
How's the taste?
I bit some paper, so pretty good.
What?
That's what I'm saying. That's the best part. Everyone's missing out.
Oh. Oh.
That's why it's called In and Out.
This isn't In-N-Out.
I'm not seeing any In-N-Out around here.
It's over there.
What are you looking at?
Bug. Get it?
I got it this time, you dudes. Why is there so much sauce?
First time?
No, it's not my first time reaching my hand into a freaking bag.
Full of cream. How's the price?
Price of this?
Yeah.
It was like
The other burger.
7.18. So
No, I'm talking about In-N-Out.
the 7.18. Jacob and his juices.
I just juiced all over the table, bro.
So
Rip the NW.
no, give me this. I'm still trying it. What is this?
What's the price?
It's probably a 4.
I have a headache. We have a tie.
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
No way.
Shaved vegetables.
Last place, we have Del Taco at 14.
30?
Rightfully.
Jeez, it wasn't even halfway.
so 14. Then the tie is Carl's Jr. and Jack in the Box at 18.
Oh.
I thought the tie would be higher up on the leaderboard. Yeah.
Bro, how many kills does In-N-Out have?
Too many.
What's its
Damn.
kill?
Killed all these burgers.
What's its kill death ratio?
10.
Who do you think won between A&W and In-N-Out? The winner.
The big giga. Ah. 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 Oh.
First time?
The taste would probably.
First time?
No.
The taste is probably a I give it 8. Sorry, I had to eat its tip.
Daily, my boy.
Avocado.
What?
Family Creamery.
I'm gonna throw the spat out burger at your face.
Hey. Bro's making it a burrito.
Yes, I gotta make it a burrito.
No, I got sauce on my arm.
When you took out the pickle.
What?
What? What was so funny about that?
Because he looked at the camera when he said, "Can you explain this?"
Can you explain this pickle in my Borgir? And right.